Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Actually, this is the second video today I upload. If you guys want to check out the first video I uploaded, just go to my channel, Head147, and look at the video. If you guys want to help out the channel, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. So if you want to help out us buy more tools, make more tool review videos, please hit the like, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon. Alright, yeah, we got some walking in here. We got some Ego. Ego is pretty much top of the line for the electric or battery operated garden tools, lawnmowers and weed whackers and trimmers and stuff like that. So if you guys want the most powerful tool, go with Ego. If you're already on the DeWalt platform or any other platform, make sure you can buy the brand basically and stick with your platform, because you already have the batteries and the chargers and the tools. So you can just upgrade with, like, if you have DeWalt, you can get any of these deals. They got a deal, a blower and a string trimmer there to the right. And since it's really hot here, they had a whole bunch of fans, ACs. It's like super humid outside and really hot. It feels like 106 degrees, but with humidity. Yeah, this is what's left over from the Ryobi. This store did had some other items that the other store did not. And obviously here, no items whatsoever. So like I said before, if you're planning on shopping, make sure you pick up whatever you see, because they're running out. And it's hard to keep them in stock because of the, what's going on around the world. So it's hard to get stock on these stores. And they do have a blower combo for $159. It's a string trimmer and a blower combo. And then that's what they had left for the free tool deals. And then again, if you want to look at the online, usually if you download the app, you can look at the online and then look at the store, see what the store has in stock. So they have to make the trip out for nothing. $11.99 for that those cases. Really nice. And like I said, just a quick video for today, because we already did another detail or longer video earlier in the morning. I'm just showing you guys real quick what I saw on this second Home Depot that I came. Originally, I came to this Home Depot because I wanted to buy a Ryobi Ratchet. It's one of the newer tools that came out with Ryobi, and I saw them in stock. So that's why I came here. I actually went to the other store to check if they had that in stock, but they did not. So, and this Home Depot was on my way home from work. So I just decided to stop by, and why not give you guys a little, video, smaller or shorter video than the other one, of what's in stock on this one, on the sales section. The buy one get one free from Milwaukee and Ryobi. And then they had these toolboxes, and they did have the Milwaukee batteries for $24.99 on this one. And they have the $199 free with the free tool deal. So they did have a few more of these in the other store. But as you guys see, it's kind of hidden back there. So each Home Depot is different, basically. Anyways, back to the story I wanted to tell you guys. So I came to this Home Depot because I did see some online that they had in the store. So I came into all the sections here. Oh, that's a good deal right there for $129 for a starter. Just the 2 M12 tools right there. They are brushed though. They're the older version. Anyways, I came to this store because I wanted to look at the Ryobi Ratchet. They did have it online. They said that they had 3 in stock in the store. What ended up happening is that I asked the guy, because I didn't see. I looked around all the Ryobi section, and I asked the guy if they had it in stock, and he told me that they did have more than what it said on the app. So we went to a section on the way back of the store, like on the warehouse on the top. You know how they have like pallets on the top. They did have a section on the back of the store where they had a lot of these ratchets, but the guy said that they didn't have any room, so they can put them on the display where all the rest of the Ryobi tools. So they did have 6, I believe, 6 Ryobi Ratchets, and it only said they had 3. So if you're planning on looking for a tool and it's a brand new tool and they're showing it on the, pretty much they're showing it on the app, but you're not seeing it, always ask the associates so they can bring it down for you from the storage, from the warehouse area. And we ended up picking up this Ryobi Ratchet, so stay tuned for the review on this Ryobi Ratchet. Yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. Happy 4th of July. I do have a Lowe's video coming up. I don't know if I'm going to do that today or tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. That's the way YouTube runs their platform here, with likes and subscribers. So if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, help us out. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.